CVMC, EC, NMMC, EEE, Unit 5, Vector Integration. Lesson 7. Problem 14. If f bar is equal to 2y bar minus 3j bar plus x square k bar and S is the surface of the parabolic cylinder y square is equal to 8x in the first octant bounded by the planes y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 6. Show that integral over S f bar dot n bar ds is equal to 132. Solution: given f bar is equal to 2y bar minus 3j bar plus x square k bar. Consider phi is equal to, a cylinder is given y square is equal to 8x. Consider phi is equal to 8x minus y square. We have to find unit normal vector n bar. So find del phi. Del phi definition: I bar dou phi by dou x, j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z. I bar phi derivative with respect to x, partial derivative of phi with respect to x, x derivative 1, 8 into 1, 8, y square derivative 0, plus j bar partial derivative of phi with respect to y, 8x derivative 0 minus y square derivative 2y. No z here, so 0. So finally we get 8I bar minus 2y j bar. Unit normal vector n bar is equal to del phi by mod del phi. 8I bar minus 2y j bar by root over I bar coefficient whole square 64 plus j bar coefficient whole square 4y square is equal to, you common 4, here you common 2, 4I bar minus yj bar, by you common 4 here, we get root 4 2, root over 16 plus y square, 2 to cancel, is equal to 4I bar minus yj bar by root over 16 plus y square. Let R be the projection of let R be the projection of S on YZ plane. So in the problem y limits are given, z limits are given. Better to take projection on YZ plane. Here ds is equal to dy dz by mod n bar dot I bar. First find n bar dot I bar. What is your n bar? 4I bar minus yj bar by root over 16 plus y square dot I bar. So I bar dot I bar is 1, j bar dot I bar is 0. So we get 4 by root over 16 plus y square. Mod n bar dot I bar. If there is any negative, taking modulus, we get positive value. Of course, there is no negative here. F bar dot n bar. What is your F bar? 2y bar minus 3j bar plus x square k bar dot n bar. N bar is 4I bar minus yj bar by root over 16 plus y square. Dot product of these, multiply I bar coefficients. Multiply I bar coefficients. 4 into 2y, 8y. Next, multiply j bar coefficients. Minus into minus plus 3y. There is no k bar coefficient. 0. 0 into something 0. By root over 16 plus y square. 11y by root over 16 plus y square. This is your f bar dot n bar. Integral over s f bar dot n bar ds is equal to integral 0 to 6 integral 0 to 4 11y by root over 16 plus y square. ds is dy dz by 4 by root over 16 plus y square. This one cancel. Common 11 by 4 to 0 to 6. Integrate with respect to y. We get y square by 2. 0 to 4 dz. 11 by 4. 16 by 2. 16 by 2. Integrate dz is z. 0 to 6. 22. 6 minus 0. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit is equal to 6 into 22, 132. Hence, proved. Problem 15. Problem 15. The if velocity vector is velocity vector is f bar is equal to yi bar plus 2j bar, yi bar plus 2j bar plus xz k bar meter per second. Show that the flux of water through the parabolic cylinder y is equal to x square, comma 0 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 3, 0 less than or equal to z, less than or equal to 2 is 69 meter cube per second. Solution. Given f bar is equal to yi bar plus 2j bar plus xz k bar. We have to find unit normal vector. So consider surface phi is equal to y is equal to x square is given. You write x square minus y del phi definition I bar dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z is equal to I bar partial derivative of phi with respect to x, x square derivative 2x, y derivative, y constant, constant derivative 0, need not write, plus j bar into partial derivative of phi with respect to y, x square derivative 0, minus y derivative 1. There is no z, so we get 0. So finally this is 2xi bar minus j bar. Unit normal vector n bar is equal to del phi by mod del phi is equal to 2xi bar minus j bar by root over I bar coefficient whole square 4x square plus j bar coefficient whole square 1. This is the definition of mod. So 2xi bar minus j bar by root over 4x square plus 1. Now let R be the projection of S on xz plane. Better to take xz plane here. X limits are given in the problem, y limit, z limits are given in the problem. Better to take xz plane. Now ds is equal to dx dz by mod n bar dot j bar. N bar dot j bar is equal to 2xi bar minus j bar by root over 4x square plus 1 dot j bar. I bar dot j bar 0, j bar dot j bar 1. So minus 1 by root over 4x square plus 1. Root over 4x square plus 1. Mod n bar dot j bar is equal to minus cancel 1 by root over 4x square plus 1. F bar dot n bar is equal to, what is your F bar? yi bar plus 2j bar plus xz k bar dot, what is your n bar? 2x I bar minus j bar by root over 4x square plus 1 dot product. First you write I bar coefficients 2x into y, 2xy. Next to j bar coefficients plus into minus 2 by root over 4x square plus 1 into over s f bar dot n bar ds is equal to double integral 0 to 3, 0 to 2, f bar dot n bar. What is f bar dot n bar? 2xy minus 2 by root over 4x square plus 1. ds is dx dz by mod n bar dot j bar. Mod n bar dot j bar is 1 by root over 4x square plus 1. This one cancel. You common 2 into 0 to 3. First you integrate with respect to z. So xy minus 1 common integrate dz is z 0 to 2 dx is equal to 2 into 0 to 3 xy minus 1 integrate z substituting upper and lower limits, we get 2 minus 0 dx is equal to 2 into 2 4 integrate 0 to 3 x into, you write y value x square, we get 4 into x cube integration, x power of 4 by 4 minus x integration, x 0 to 3, 4 into 3 power 4, 81 by 4 minus 3. So lower limit 0. 4 into 81, 81 by 4, 81 minus 12. 81 minus 12, this is nothing but 69 meter cube per second. Hence proved. Hence proved. Problem 16. Problem 16. Evaluate integral over s f bar dot ds bar, where f bar is equal to xi bar plus z square minus zx into j bar minus xy k bar, and S is the triangular surface with vertices 2 0 0 0 2 0 and 0 0 4. Solution. So diagram, this point is x, y, z. This point is 2 0 0. This point is 0 2 0. This point is 0 0 4. A, B, C. So open surface ABC, open surface. So this is intercept form. So x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1. X by A means 2, y by B means 2, z by 4 is equal to 1. Multiplying by 4, 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. Now we have to find n bar. So consider surface phi is equal to 2x plus 2y plus z minus 4. Del phi formula I bar dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z is equal to I bar partial derivative of phi with respect to x, 2x derivative 2, remaining 0. J bar into partial derivative of phi with respect to y, 2x constant, z constant, 4 constant, constant derivative 0, 2y derivative 2. K bar into partial derivative of phi with respect to z, z derivative 1. This is equal to 2y bar plus 2j bar plus k bar. Unit normal vector n bar is equal to del phi by mod del phi, 2i bar plus 2j bar plus k bar by root over 4 plus 4 plus 1, I bar coefficient whole square, j bar coefficient whole square, k bar coefficient whole square is equal to 2i bar plus 2j bar plus k bar by root 9, 3. F bar dot n bar is equal to xi bar plus z square minus zx j bar minus xy k bar dot n bar is 2i bar plus 2j bar plus k bar by 3. This is equal to I bar coefficients 2x, j bar coefficients 2z square minus 2zx, multiplying k bar coefficients minus xy. minus xy by 3. Let R be the projection of surface S on xy plane. ds is equal to dx dy by mod n bar dot k bar. So n bar dot k bar is equal to 2I bar plus 2j bar plus k bar by 3 dot k bar. So I bar dot k bar 0, j bar k bar 0, k bar dot k bar is 1. So we get 1 by 3. So integral over s f bar dot n bar ds is equal to double integral f bar dot n bar 2x plus 2z square minus 2zx minus xy by 3 dx dy by 1 by 3. So 3 cancel. 3 cancel. In xy plane z is equal to 0. 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. So x plus y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 minus x. Put y is equal to 0. We get x is equal to 2. So y limits are 0 to 2 minus x. X limits are 0 to 2. Now your integral over s f bar dot n bar ds is equal to f bar dot n bar ds is equal to integral 0 to 2 integral 0 to 2 minus x to 2x plus 2z square 2 into 4 minus 2x minus 2y whole square minus 2zx minus 2 into z 4 minus 2x minus 2y x 2zx minus xy first with respect to y, next with respect to x. So simplifying integrating with respect to y, we get these steps. Observe carefully. Twelve into 2x cube by 3 minus x for 4 by 4 plus 8 by 3 2 minus x whole power 4 by 4 into minus 1 plus 19 by 2 bracket 4x square by 2 plus x for 4 by 4 minus 4x cube by 3 minus 38 2x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 integration formula. Using integration formula we get these steps. This is equal to substituting upper and lower limits. We get 80 plus 70 minus 280 by 3, 80 minus 210 by 3. So 240 minus 210 by 3, 30 by 3 is equal to 10. This is your final answer. Problem 17. Problem 17. Find the flux of vector function x minus 2z I bar plus x plus 3y plus z j bar plus 5x plus y k bar through the upper side of the triangle ABC with vertices 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Solution. Same as above problem, you consider this one a bar. You consider same diagram, so vertices are different. Do homework.